teacher training experience was amazing with Danni and Yvonne. No, it was the best thing I've ever done.
A new way of looking at life.
My life is flowing amazingly right now.
Internal transformation.
An inner strength that I really believe I can carry with me going forward.
Found what I needed to, which was spirituality in my life.
A bunch of different ways in which it can change my life.
You're doing something for yourself.
So much information, so many different schools of thought.
Discovering that there are all kinds of yoga.
The relationships that I formed here, the support you feel.
Such great people.
Nobody can take this away from me. And this gift.
And there's no doubt. Like, the doubt is just...
I'm blessed, actually.
Been replaced with this really amazing faith.
If you have no intention of teaching yoga ever, do this training.
Incredible to have had this opportunity.
It'll be the best decision of your life.